Hello, guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, September the 19th, 2023. Already solved 3 puzzles: Sudoku with 0 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars, and a binary. So 1 puzzle is left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and this one will be number 7127. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 14, should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 14 and it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Only 1 single box I see here. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes here? No. I see here triple box, there triple box. This is the next question, do we have here triple boxes? Yeah. Here the 2 is already given, so those 2 boxes are the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. Here also the 2 is already given, so those 2 boxes should be 1 or a 3. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 in the same area, so it can be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Here, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there, so 1 digit left, should be the 4. More triple boxes? No. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box in an L shape, and when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box is always a 5. This is the inside box, always a 5. More quadra boxes, let me scan. No quadra boxes here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as their box. So this box has the same name as their box. So in this case it's a 1 or a 2. But it can't be a 1 here. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. Okay, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only 1 of this kind of shape. Then the following shape. How about let me see. The L shape. Mirrored. This one is mirrored. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, wait, let me draw this. This box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 3. Okay, here we have another one upside down. This box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. Alright, let me see. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle here? Rotated. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have here more of these kind of shapes? Let me see. Only one? Yes, only one we see here in this puzzle. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 1 and 3, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. Well, these 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Then. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, but also that box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those. 2 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2, because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this area could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 supposed to be here. Alright, now, now, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that we have a double 1 here. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this area could be here, could be there. Alright. 1. No 5 here, no 5 here, no 5 there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this cross area. One of the missing numbers is a 5. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. This box can be a 5, but also that box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this cross area should be there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. Alright. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be 5. Alright, and I've eliminated the 2 here, so the 2 goes here. Alright. And this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3, 1 and 3. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and the 5. 3 to 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this quadra box should be here. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this quadra box should be here. And is connected with that box should be also 1. And is also connected with that box should be also 1. Okay. Then these two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 3. But we already have a 2 here, so it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. 4 numbers 4 and a 5. 4 to 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quadra L-shaped area. 4 numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Then well I'm thinking 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 1 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 3. 1. Interesting. Yeah. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Interesting. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 and 4. 3. Well, these two boxes can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the 2 and a 3. 2 and 3. Okay. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, 4 goes there. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. 4 numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. 4 numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Now we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in the squash area. 4 numbers 1 and a 3. Well, need to mark those boxes 1 and 3. Then These two boxes can be a 4, so one box left for the 4 in this area should be here. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Let me mark those. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be a 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. Okay, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. Then 1 and a 4, 1 and a 3. 2 numbers left in the squash area for numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Let me mark those. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. Cannot be a 3. Can be a 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. This box can also not be a 1. So 2 numbers left in this W area. Say for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 4 goes in there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes in there. A 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. And well, this box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. So 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Alright, so have a great and fantastic Tuesday, Princess Day, Budget Day. We'll meet again tomorrow on a Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.